Welcome to Digital Marketing Mastery. In this video, we're diving deep into the world of digital marketing. Whether you're a complete beginner or looking to brush up on your knowledge, this guide will give you a solid foundation to start or improve your digital marketing efforts. Let's get started. 1. What is digital marketing? Digital marketing is the promotion of products, services, or brands using digital technologies, primarily on the internet. It includes a range of channels such as websites, social media, search engines, and email. Unlike traditional marketing, digital marketing allows businesses to connect with their audiences anytime, anywhere, on any device. 2. Key components of digital marketing. There are several key components of digital marketing that work together to create a cohesive strategy. SEO, search engine optimization, helps your website rank higher on search engines. Content marketing involves creating valuable content like blogs, videos, and infographics to engage your audience. Social media marketing leverages platforms like Instagram, Facebook, and LinkedIn to reach and connect with potential customers. Email marketing allows you to send targeted and personalized content directly to your customers' inboxes. Pay-per-click advertising, PPC, a paid method to drive traffic to your website by paying for each click on your ads. 3. Benefits of digital marketing. Digital marketing offers numerous benefits over traditional marketing methods. It's cost-effective, offers better targeting capabilities, allows for real-time interaction with your audience, and provides measurable results through tools like Google Analytics. You can track everything from clicks to conversions, helping you optimize your strategy and maximize your return on investment. 4. Popular digital marketing strategies. To succeed in digital marketing, it's important to implement the right strategies. Here are some popular strategies used by brands today. Content creation and SEO, crafting high-quality, optimized content to engage users and rank higher in search engines. Social media engagement, building a community through regular posts, stories, and live streams on platforms like Instagram, YouTube, and TikTok. Email campaigns, sending personalized email campaigns to keep your audience informed and drive sales. Influencer collaborations, partnering with influencers who can promote your products to their followers. Video marketing, creating engaging video content to capture attention and increase brand awareness. 5. Tools of the trade. Digital marketers rely on various tools to execute their strategies effectively. Here are some must-have tools for your digital marketing efforts. Google Analytics helps track website traffic and user behavior. HubSpot, a CRM tool that integrates marketing automation, email marketing, and sales tracking. SEMrush, a powerful SEO and competitive analysis tool. Canva, an easy-to-use design tool for creating graphics, presentations, and social media posts. Hootsuite, a social media management platform to schedule posts, track analytics, and engage with your audience. 6. Current and future trends in digital marketing. Digital marketing is constantly evolving. Here are some trends shaping the future. Artificial intelligence and automation. AI is making its mark through chatbots, predictive analytics, and even automated content creation. Video marketing. The rise of platforms like TikTok and the continued dominance of YouTube makes video content an essential part of any digital strategy. Voice search optimization. With more users relying on voice search via smart speakers like Alexa and Google Home, optimizing for voice search is becoming increasingly important. Personalization. Personalizing the user experience through data-driven insights is now a key differentiator for brands in 2024. 7. Digital marketing in action. Let's take a look at some real-world examples of successful digital marketing in action. Companies like Nike have used influencer marketing and engaging social media campaigns to build a loyal customer base. Meanwhile, Starbucks leverages personalized emails and mobile app marketing to drive customer retention. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video and want to learn more about digital marketing, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe, and turn on notifications. Stay tuned for more tips, strategies, and trends to take your digital marketing to the next level. Hey everyone, I'm excited to announce that I'm starting my YouTube channel, where I'll be sharing valuable content on topics like digital marketing, tech, and more. I would really appreciate your support as I embark on this journey. Your likes, comments, and shares will help me grow and reach more people. Let's build something amazing together. Thank you for your support. I'm looking forward to bringing you great content.